Hola, abonito! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's all Evermore vibes, Evermore makeup. The new Taylor Swift album was released on the 11th of December. I don't know when this video will be out. I can tell like it's 1 week ago or more. And I'm in total Evermore vibes since then. So I decided to recreate the makeup she had on all the pictures that went out with the album. It's really soft, it's really nice. I wanted to take like a couple of minutes to talk about Evermore. For me, it's a very nice album. I really loved it. I just can't stop listening to it since it's out. I listen to it all day, and honestly I can choose between Evermore and Folklore. For me, they are meant to be together. And you can have Evermore without Folklore and Folklore without Evermore. It's just, they go together. It's just a part of the same story. But yes, for me it's kind of, Folklore is like the summer vibes and everything. Evermore is more like fall and winter vibes. And yes, I really like it. So please tell me in the comment section down below what you think about the album. I will talk a bit more about my favorite song while I'm doing this makeup, and we can talk in the comment about the album and everything. So let's do it. So I'm gonna prime my face. I applied my face cream already. Oops. And let's go for the foundation. So she had a very light complexion, if I can see it like this. She doesn't have a lot of makeup on her face, so I'm going to do a light, very light. So I'm going to apply foundation because I have a lot of redness on my cheeks, and I want to have like a perfect skin as much as her. I will add just a bit more to hide all the red on my cheeks. You can use some green color on your cheeks to hide the red, but here it's not as much as usual, so I'll just apply a bit more foundation. And here the skin is done. Now it's time for the concealer. I slept a lot last night, so I don't need as much concealer as usual, but just to brighten a bit my under eye area. And I use a brush to blend. I always use a brush. I don't really like the beauty blender. It's just a personal choice. So the skin is done. We are gonna all together. It's time for the powder to fix everything. I'm not gonna do a contouring or something because she doesn't have one on the picture. Just a very light makeup. So I just fix it with a bit of powder. You see, it's very simple, very light makeup. As I can see in the Folklore Evermore era, she's just more like very light. Sorry, I breathed some powder. She's more like light makeup, not as much as she used to wear before. And honestly, I very like it. So it's time for the eyes. So I'm gonna take this shade. It's a light pinky brown, kind of. And I'm gonna apply that in the crease. Same with the other eye. So what's your 3 favorite songs on Evermore? It took me like 2 days to be able to choose 3 songs that I really prefer than the other. And for me it would be Tolerated, Dorothea and Champagne Problem. I love all the songs, but I have like these 3 are my favorites. So you can tell me in the comment section what are your favorite songs from Evermore. So now I'm going to take the darker brown and add a little bit more into the crease, like more precise, just very lightly, to add a bit more definition to the eye. And I'm doing all my makeup with a fluffy brush. I have the color but not too intense. And yes, I braid, not I, but my mother braids my hair too, because I braid my hair since Evermore is out. And if you want a video tutorial how to braid the hair, because I can do it on myself, I tried, but it's definitely not as beautiful as it should be, so my mother do it, so if you want I can make a video about it. And I'm gonna take the light pink here to add on the lid. Not what I think, so I'm gonna take like this shade, like a bit of highlight shade. It will be better on the lid. Yeah. So now it's liner time. So I chose a brown liner because she had a brown liner. I have a pencil, so it's not the one I wanted, but I can find the one I want. Well, I think I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna go slowly to not ruin all the makeup. So here, it's time now for mascara. We'll apply not too much. We really want to keep it simple and soft. So it's time for blush. I will use a peach blush. And I will apply it not too close to the cheek. Like more at the end of the cheek, yeah, to the tip. A bit of highlighter, not too much. I use a champagne highlighter, so this one. Just a little bit on the top of the cheeks. And it's time for the lipstick. For the lipstick I use the MAC Back in Vogue lipstick. It's the one she used on Miss Americana. And it's really close to the color she had on the Evermore picture. Forgot to do my brows, as I have my line, don't see that much, I will just brush them. Just keep in mind for this makeup it's light and soft. Then it's time to fix everything. So that's it, it's the end of the video. I really hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and tell me in the comment section what you think about it, about this makeup, and what you think about the album, so we can talk about it all together. Yes, it's quite a simple makeup, so yes, I really hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to share the channel with everybody, so we can be a lot of unicorns in the world full of love. And let's see yourself. No, let's see in the next video.